As an application designer, you can use DITAS to search the best suitable data for your application. You would first need to declare the functional and non-functional requirements of your application. DITAS will create a service-level agreement taking into account these constraints. You would then search for the data type you need. The resolution engine will rank the data sources, giving you the virtual data container that best fits the requirements of your application. Datasets that can't comply with the requirements of your applications will be discarded. Once you pick up the right VDC, use the Web UI to declare the resources that DITAS could potentially use for deployments. Finally, click Deploy button and DITAS will deploy the selected VDC to the infrastructure you prefer, from the available ones, yours, and the one provided by the data administrator. Once deployed, the last screen will show you the API endpoints provided by the VDC. Now check the documentation provided by the data administrator. Start developing against those data endpoints and don't worry about anything else. DITAS will force the SLA to be met at any time. Innovative framework for data-intensive applications.